Livestock carrier aground-Mediterranean. Livestock carrier WARDEH, anchored off Mersin, Turkey, Mediterranean Sea, reportedly drifted aground during recent storm, probably on Jan 15. The ship with 2 watchmen on board was anchored in Mersin since April 2018, waiting to be transferred from one Syrian owner to another, said Deniz Haber. No other information available at the moment. Photo Deniz Haber. Livestock carrier WARDEH, IMO 7,708,285, GT 8,393, built 1978, flag Lebanon. Latvian freighter aground, Oresund, Sweden. General cargo ship RIX EMERALD ran aground on Landskrona approach, Oresund, Sweden, at around 0545 up Jan 15, on arrival from Aarhus, Denmark. No information yet on possible damages. As of 1200 UTC, the ship was still aground. Cause of accident yet unknown. Photo HD.se. General cargo ship RIX EMERALD, IMO 9,116,802, DWT 3001, built 1995, flag Cyprus, manager RIX SHIPMANAGEMENT SIA Latvia.